My name is Khait, and I'm the IT Ancillary Manager responsible for ancillary application, which include radiology, cardiology, and other imaging applications. It was easy. People were willing to work with us. People were willing to do the implementation very quickly, and that's an easy thing. We were pleasantly surprised. The system is easy to use, easy to install, and doctors are loving it. Deployment went fairly quickly. I have to admit that working with your deployment team is a pleasure, and I mentioned it to them during their visit here. It was very quick. The explanation was very easy. Here's what we need. Here's how it's supposed to be running. Here's the access we need. Create the VPN, boom, boom, boom. Basically, it was actually one of the easiest implementation to me versus some other things. But that's because I believe both teams are really wanted to do it. Obviously, it has to go through our security team because you are receiving the patient data. Luckily, it was a little bit better security because the information is sitting on the servers that are in our shop. So we can secure it behind the firewall. Ease of use, okay? Widget is very easy to install, 1, 2, 3 basically, and very easy to use. It is one click where you open the widget, and the second click opens PACS right into that step. So that implementation, it was great. Integration with PACS, once we set up a call between our PACS vendor and your team, boom, thing got fixed. 30 minutes, that's all. That's, to me, is incredible. Hope that every company does it that way. That would be great. Your help desk is awesome. The response I get back right away. Our responsibility is to support our customers, and that is the radiology department in my case. So I will make the suggestions, they will make the decisions, but we work together.